It is currently about 10:15 in the morning on Thursday, August the 8th, 2019, and I'm still working at the Old Fiddlers Convention in Galax, Virginia. We came out here to New River Trail State Park. This wasn't really my idea. This was Tony's idea. This is something he does on a regular basis with his friend Ed. Do you mind being on the vlog, Ed? Okay. So this is Ed here. And so the two of them get together usually about once a week and come out here and do this. So I'm just kind of joining them today. And this is actually part of Tony's fitness regimen after he had his heart problems. He has to have the tricycle because he's got a little bit of cerebral palsy from the knees down. And so he's able to manage that just fine. And it's funny that with the cerebral palsy and all the other things, this guy does not slow down. He wears me out. All right, Ed. How far are we going out?
Round trip will probably be about 4.5 to 5 miles.
Oh, 4.5 to 5 miles. Wow. Now I'm really glad I brought a drink. Ed, I understand you have kind of an interesting story.
Yeah, back in '96, I was injured in the military and damaged my leg and ended up with nerve damage, and that ended up with spinal damage. And
oh, sorry.
That's all right. So it got progressively worse, and that into '97, and that I ended up in a wheelchair. Spent almost 20 years in a wheelchair, and went ahead and I lost circulation in my right leg, and the morning of surgery where they're going to do above the knee amputation, and that the doctor come in, the anesthesiologist, there had to be a backup anesthesiologist because the other one had a family emergency, and said, well, if we take your leg with that nerve disorder you have, you're never going to be able to wear a prosthetic and that. So he put me in touch with one of his colleagues and that had about 40 years experience with the neural disorder. And we tried a spinal cord stimulator, and I got about 40% circulation back. And my pain level was usually a 9 or a 10 constantly in that, and that dropped down to about a 3. And he asked me in that, after a week's trial in that, do I want to have one implanted? And I said yes, and took 14 weeks to heal.
This is the first I've ever heard of a spinal cord stimulator implant.
Yeah, basically I've got, what it is I've got a pulse generator, a computer in a pack, and a battery in my right side, and I've got 2 leads run straight into my spinal cord.
Wow.
Kind of like the bionic redneck.
That sounds really cool, actually.
And
okay, so that brought your circulation up, took the pain level down.
Yeah.
And so that made it where you could start walking again.
No, because I basically have no feeling in my right foot, or no use for my right ankle.
Okay.
So we tried different things in that, different prosthetics in that, nothing worked in that, and basically the last thing we tried was this little device right here. And basically what that does, that takes the weight off your foot, and basically you got a strut right here, and you got a like a carbon fiber foot, and it's just like a regular lower amputee prosthetic in that. This takes all the weight and puts it down to the foot plate.
Okay.
Keeps your foot, takes the weight off your foot.
Okay.
So you just have to get used to it and learn how to pretty much judge surfaces with your calf.
Right. So you never had the amputation?
Nope.
So that's your original leg and ankle and everything there?
Yep.
It's just all braced up?
Yep.
Wow. That's awesome. And how long again, one more time, that you were in a wheelchair?
About a little over 20 years.
20 years in a wheelchair. Wow. And so now you're out riding this. Is this called a recumbent bike?
Yes.
Okay, so now you're out riding the recumbent bike and walking. Wow, that's fantastic. All right. Thank you. Awesome. There you go, guys. Oh, dang it, they just disappeared. There was otters down in there. Dang it, as soon as... Oh, there they go. They're right. There's otters. There's otters. They're right. Oh, dang it, I missed them. I don't know if somebody did this on purpose or not, but right here on the bench, there's a banana! Banana, banana! That's a Minions reference if you guys didn't know. It looks fine. You guys want to eat it? I'm going to eat it if you guys don't. Trail magic.
So we got 3 more miles to go. Man.
1 point.
Maybe that's what this was for. To feed the otters.
Could be.
The river otters. And we are back at the vehicles now. So I'm gonna go ahead and call this one done. And say that if you enjoyed this, go ahead and hit that thumbs up like button. Leave something down in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon. And Ed here has got a YouTube channel as well. Where can people find you?
Duck52.
Duck.
Duck-52.
D-U-C-K-52. Duck52. Alright, and he was actually taking video while we were out there. He's got a really nice GoPro 7?
Yep.
Wow. Jealous. So he's got some stuff from... He'll be putting up some stuff from today as well.
Oh yeah.
And so yeah, thank you guys. I'll see you on the next one.